Do you want to write, direct, and produce your own movies? Start your filmmaking journey right here with us at the Film Industry Gateway. I've been working in film and video production for over 10 years now. I've learned what to do to build a career in film and video production, but more importantly, I've learned what not to do. My main goal here is to save you time, save you money, and help you get started making movies that people actually want to watch. Now, when I say filmmaking, I'm not talking about real estate, I'm not talking about wedding videos, I'm not even talking about music videos. While the things you'll learn at the Film Industry Gateway will certainly help you in all of those other video production projects, the main thing you'll learn here is how to craft your own movies. Actual movies with heroes and villains and plots and twists and everything you need to make each of those things good. But not just good, I want to help you craft something incredible that will be something that gets you excited when you see your name listed on its IMDb page, or something that makes you want to spam that share button 200 times. In 2019, I used my years of experience to embark on making my own micro-budget independent feature film. And since then, this project has boosted my reputation and has helped grow my career even further. Over the years, I've also worked across a wide variety of projects, including a collection of short films, web series, corporate commercials, music videos. I've filmed over 200 weddings, and I've also become a social media expert and have mastered multiple platforms. Across all of these projects, my long list of countless clients have given me equally long list of grateful and emotional reviews in all of my businesses. But after all of that, my focus is always on how I can grow as a filmmaker. Again, when I say filmmaker, I'm talking about actual films. Everything I do in life is always a means to an end, and the end goal for me is always to create a thriving career in the film industry. It's as simple as this. I want to make movies, and I want to help other people make movies. I'm here to give you everything I have in hopes that you will create something beautiful that will inspire even more emotions in those who watch it. After many years, I've constantly asked myself why I'm so focused on making movies. I'll let you know that this changes, but right now at least, I believe that making movies and crafting these stories teaches me more about myself. It helps me learn through a process of creating the story and the characters, but also in showing myself what I'm capable as a human being. And film is a pretty great way to do that because it's literally limitless. If there is something you want to see on screen, then you will find a way to make it happen. And most of the time, it will be through blood, sweat, and tears, especially in the beginning. It takes experimenting, it takes failing, and more importantly, it requires learning from those mistakes and doing just a little bit better every time you make something. If you stick with me, I can help you at least avoid some of those mistakes and give you and your film career a boost so you can reach your goals even sooner. Now that you've let me say all that, I have one big scary thing to tell you, and when I tell you this, there's a good chance that it'll scare a lot of you away. But before I tell you, I urge you to stay and at least consider the options. Because if you keep at it and follow what we're going to show you here at the Film Industry Gateway, then you will gain something that so many people in life are missing. Here it is, the big scary thing. Working in film, especially in the beginning, is really hard to make money. Even more so if you live in a country or a city that doesn't have a thriving film industry. Starting a career in film will require that you create at least some kind of portfolio of work and build some kind of reputation in film before you can step it up a notch and into the professional league of filmmakers. I know that's not what you wanted to hear. If you decide to keep watching, I'm going to tell you how to avoid the trap that most people fall into at some stage in their lives. If you're just starting out and this is very new to you, great. I want to help you avoid making those big mistakes in life that leave you feeling unfulfilled. If you're much further along and perhaps find yourself in a particular career and maybe a series of life choices that have made you feel cemented with no way out, I want to help you find a way to see things like you've never seen them before. I want to help you reignite that fire inside, that burning need for adventure, something that you are absolutely able to have no matter what stage of life you are in. Here at the Film Industry Gateway, I'm going to share everything I've learned about how to craft compelling stories, create memorable characters, and build a portfolio that will give you a name in the film industry. But not only that, learning how to make movies teaches you so much more than how to just make movies. My wife and I are constantly finding ourselves in certain situations or up against certain challenges, whether they be big or small, and often I can find a solution through something that I learned in film school. So what are these things outside of film that you learn from making films? Well, number one, filmmaking is a mixture of creative, technical, and labor-intensive skills, which gives you a well-rounded set of skills that can set you up in almost any line of work. Number two, you will learn to organize your time, organize your resources, and organize your brain. Filmmaking can potentially be quite chaotic, but I will guide you through my process and talk to you about how I can maintain a clear vision and form a clear path through that chaos. Number three, teamwork and leadership are so damn important in filmmaking. Whether you are an introvert or an extrovert, joining a filmmaking team allows you to explore your own individuality and creativity while also forming a bond with those around you. Every person on a production has their own responsibilities, and yet those responsibilities need to work cohesively with the work that everyone else is also creating. This is also why it is so important to have strong leaders, as the leaders are key to successful communication and are ultimately responsible for ensuring that everything comes together in the end. Number four, I've already touched on this a bit, but I'll say it again, communication. And learning effective communication is vital. I'll talk you through what I do that makes everyone on a project feel heard, understood, and valued. And I do this by constantly practicing ways to improve my methods of communication, improve my confidence, and using both of these to communicate to my team in a way that motivates and inspires while still remaining clear and concise so that everyone understands exactly what we're doing. Number five, one of my favorite things about filmmaking is learning psychology. In almost every area of film, you need to have a firm grasp of psychology and an understanding of how the brain works. As a screenwriter, you'll explore human behavior to create authentic and relatable characters. Directors need to understand how actors think and feel to guide them effectively. As an editor, you'll learn knowledge of attention spans and eye movement patterns to create engaging, impactful scenes. Even sound designers need to comprehend how sound influences emotions and perceptions. Developing a strong grasp of psychology is a valuable asset in both your personal and professional life. Number six, another skill that you will learn about in depth is health and safety. And of course, this is important everywhere. In many cases, on a film project, you will be designing organized chaos. By that, I mean you are purposely designing situations that will be chaotic or dangerous, or at very least appear dangerous. So whether the danger is real or not, you need to understand everything you possibly can to keep your fellow cast and crew safe. To create a great film, I try to help everyone trust each other to do the right thing. And I can do this by doing my due diligence and analyzing potential hazards and doing everything that I possibly can to ensure that everyone gets home at the end of the day. This is just a handful of the long list of things that I have learned in this industry, and a handful of what you will learn right here at the Film Industry Gateway. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, because together we can challenge the norms and redefine the landscape of filmmaking.